When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements offer as much value as replacing old windows with custom-designed, energy-efficient options. For homeowners in Layton, Utah, custom window replacement not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home but also delivers significant long-term benefits in terms of energy efficiency, comfort, and durability. If you're considering this home improvement, here are the top benefits of custom window replacement that every Layton homeowner should know. Improved energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners opt for custom window replacement is the significant boost in energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass or worn-out seals, can lead to energy loss and higher utility bills. By replacing them with custom windows designed to fit your home's exact specifications, you can drastically reduce the amount of heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. Modern custom windows are built with energy-efficient features, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas fills like argon or krypton. These features work together to minimize heat transfer, ensuring that your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer without overburdening your heating and cooling systems. The result? Lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. Another key benefit of custom window replacement is the immediate transformation it brings to your home's curb appeal. Custom windows can be designed to match your home's architectural style, whether you live in a charming cottage, a modern suburban home, or a traditional ranch. Whether you prefer sleek, contemporary lines or classic, traditional frames, custom windows can be tailored to fit your vision perfectly. Unlike stock windows, which may not fit the exact measurements of your existing window frames, custom windows provide a perfect fit. This eliminates gaps or poor alignments, resulting in a seamless look that enhances your home's exterior. Additionally, custom windows come in a variety of materials, including wood, vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum, so you can choose a finish that complements the rest of your home's exterior features. Increased home comfort. Custom windows also contribute to a more comfortable home. In addition to improving energy efficiency, the right custom windows help regulate indoor temperatures, making your home feel more pleasant regardless of the weather outside. High-quality windows also offer improved sound insulation, which can be especially valuable in a growing city like Layton, where street noise, traffic, or nearby construction may interfere with the peace and quiet of your home. Custom windows are designed to provide superior weather resistance, keeping drafts at bay and ensuring that your indoor temperature remains consistent. As a result, you'll experience fewer temperature fluctuations and enjoy a more stable, comfortable living environment. Better home security and safety. Older windows are often easier to break into or may lack the advanced locking mechanisms that modern windows offer. Custom window replacements come with enhanced security features, including sturdy frames, advanced locking systems, and laminated glass options that are difficult to shatter. These added security features provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected from intruders and potential break-ins. Additionally, custom windows can be designed with safety in mind, particularly in areas where children may be present. Some options come with features like child-proof locks, tempered glass, or windows that open only to a certain degree to prevent accidents. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Custom windows are built to last. When compared to standard windows, custom windows are made using superior materials and craftsmanship, ensuring that they stand up to the elements. Whether it's the hot summers, freezing winters, or occasional storms in Layton, custom windows are designed to withstand local weather conditions and provide long-lasting performance. Furthermore, many custom window options require minimal maintenance. Vinyl windows, for example, don't need to be painted and are resistant to peeling, cracking, or warping. This means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Additionally, many custom windows come with warranties, offering extra peace of mind that your investment will pay off for years to come. Increased property value. Upgrading your home with custom windows is an investment that pays off in the long term. Not only will you enjoy the immediate benefits of improved comfort, energy savings, and curb appeal, but custom windows also increase the resale value of your home. Buyers today are increasingly looking for homes that are energy efficient, well-maintained, and aesthetically appealing, and custom windows can make a significant difference in attracting potential buyers. In Layton, where real estate is competitive, investing in custom windows could be a strategic decision to increase the value of your property and improve its marketability when it's time to sell. Conclusion. For Layton homeowners looking to enhance the look, feel, and performance of their homes, custom window replacement offers a wide range of benefits. From boosting energy efficiency and lowering utility bills to improving curb appeal and providing added security, custom windows provide a smart, long-term investment. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, working with a professional window contractor can help you choose the right custom options that suit your style and budget, while ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient for years to come.